Hello, my name is Xiao Zhushan. Today's introduction, I want to follow the video from the last issue. I will popularize the Chinese names of several foods for you. 馒头 饺子 粽子 To summarize, the round ones are 馒头, the semicircular ones are 饺子, and the triangular ones is 粽子. They all have their own names, so we can try not to call them all just dumplings. Let's cut to the chase. Today, we're gonna roast chicken wings together. Maybe everyone has their own secret marinade, but I recommend my usual spicy chicken wing marinade. My daughter introduced to her classmates that her mother's specialty was the spicy chicken wings. Add seasoning and oil in proportion. You can marinate it in the morning and bake it at night, or put it in the refrigerator overnight. Cozy leisure time. The little wildflowers in my yard. They've been open for almost a month. Do you know what they're called? I like their hilarity. Such a comfortable day. Handicrafting in the yard. It's also a happy thing. I've been thinking about it before. Do I cook food or do crafts? It seems that if you choose both, it's not conducive to channel recreation. But I love crafting and cooking. What a headache. Free time passed. I have to go grill chicken wings. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Lay a baking sheet with tinfoil. That way it's easier to clean. Bake the chicken wings at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Prepare sugar water during the baking time. It's a third cup of granulated white sugar and the same proportions of water. Stir it until the sugar melts and brush the toasted chicken wings with sugar water. In this process, you can also brush off the excess marinade on the chicken wings. After brushing the sugar water, broil for another 3 minutes, and then brush the sugar water again. Then broil for another 3 minutes. The chicken wings are ready to be served. Be careful, it's a little spicy. Maybe get another glass of milk? Thank you for watching my video. Piglet wishes you all the best. See you next time!